So right now I'm cooking the garbanzo beans to make hummus. So we're going to get that covered with water. It takes about 12 to 15 minutes to cook. When I say cook it, especially when you're making hummus, they have to be creamy. They have to not crumbly, because hummus in general is a smooth paste. And I'm going to talk about what else it goes in the hummus. Again, the chickpeas, it's getting there. So the best way to find out if it's done or not is just we press them. See, very crumbly. Crumbly, that means it's not ready. It has to be pasty, it has to be creamy as you press them. So that's going to take just a 5 or 6 minutes to be done. So hummus need cooked garbanzo beans or chickpeas. I prefer you rehydrate them overnight and then cook them for about 10 to 12 minutes and then ready to go. You can also use the one ready out of the can, but you still don't really get them that flavorful. Again, when you touch it, there's some probably still, but the majority are pasty. So when it's nice and pasty, ready to go.
Do we have to take off the skin?
No, the skin it goes in there. Secondly is the sesame. This is a toasted sesame seed paste called tahini. I bought that from the store yesterday. I think this can is about $7 or $8. You need to mix it together because the oil will go to the top. So right here, so make sure that you get everything. Okay, here we are. And then you need lemon juice or lime juice. You need a little bit of garlic. Not too much on the garlic. Maybe 1 clove is adequate. So I'm going to add my chickpeas. I'm going to get my oil. You can use any oil, olive oil, of course, I prefer. There we go. Lemon juice or lime juice, either one.
Chef, do you prefer olive oil because of the flavor?
For more flavor. Extra virgin olive oil is good, so it doesn't really have that much intensity. This is supposed to be a little bit on the tart side, that means a little bit lemony, because it goes with so many other things. So the hummus can be almost like a sauce for, even falafel. This is good. A little bit of cayenne pepper, if you like heat. And then just a pinch of cumin, not too much. Again, cumin intend to take over. And then we're going to add my tahini or sesame paste. We use lots of sesame paste, again in North Africa and Middle East, and also some Japanese and some Asian country would use. Here we go. But you don't want to put tahini to the point that all tastes like tahini. You want to taste the chickpeas or the hummus. So you can always make a little bit of an adjustment. So we're going to you don't want any chunks. The smoother the better. I didn't add the salt yet. And I'm going to add also some more lemon, because I wanted more lemon. Put the oil here. And that will give me really nice consistency. Yeah, ready. No, just soaked, rehydrating. But garbanzo, that's why I said you can even use the one in the can. That's already A little bit of parsley. There we are. And that's how you taste it.